Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Chantel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out the viral Kiss Falscara lashes. I got the entire kit with the bond and seal, the overnight setter, and the remover. So if you've been debating trying it out and you want to see how it looks, please keep watching. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I got mine on Amazon for about $40 after tax. Before buying this, I did watch a lot of reviews both on TikTok and on YouTube. What I've noticed is there's a huge discrepancy in how long it lasts. On TikTok, everyone seems to say that it actually lasts for 10 days, but on YouTube, when you watch the full-length videos, by the 24-hour point, they start falling off. According to my instructions, hear ye. How to apply. Step 1, bonding time. Brush a light coat of bond on natural lashes. A little goes a long way. Step 2, wisp under lashes. Use the applicator to pluck a wisp from the tray as shown, blah, 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 blah. Step 3, seal the deal. Thin coat of seal under the wisp. Step 4, optional, use the overnighter for an extended wear. One other thing that I've seen online is when people are taking the wisp off the tray, they split in half. And if you've ever used clusters, then you already know that usually happens. So that you don't waste them, just be very careful. Am I recording? Okay. Alrighty, so we're gonna go ahead and start. It comes with 3 lengths, short, medium, and long. So I'm gonna do medium on the end and short on the inner part. So I'm gonna put the bond on the end of my lashes. I'm just kind of like wiggling it back and forth. A lot of the bond doesn't come off on the applicator, like pretty much nothing comes off. So I'm just wiggling it back and forth. I'm actually gonna use the tip and just really stack it on. And I'm actually going to put some of the bond on the inside of the wisp, just like as if you were putting them on individually. And then you turn it upside down, you're holding it like this. I don't know if you guys can even see that. And now I'm just going to stick it to the end. Woo! The applicator just like completely stuck to my lashes. They're super thin, like you can't even, you know how it says to put the bond over your lashes? So it makes the entire lash just gluey, and then it kind of like gives this clumpy look. I don't know if you can see that it's a little bit clumpy there. Like, please, can you focus? Like putting the glue has made it clumpy. You can also see that second one, I put it like a little bit too close to the waterline, which you're not supposed to do. You're supposed to do it a little bit higher than your lash line. Now I'll do 2 short ones for the center. And the color of the bonding glue is black. I've seen a lot of people stacking lashes on top, so they'll do like 1 full row and then they'll go in again and do like a second row. And I can understand why. I put it way too close to my lash line. Oh, I forgot to do something. People do this. They like clamp it together. Ah! So the one I just did, I took it off because I did it too close to my lash line and I couldn't live that way. You're not supposed to just pull it off, but the glue is still wet, so I just did it. I don't make the rules. Stick this on. Oh my gosh. The glue is literally clumping my lashes together. What am I supposed to do now? I'm gonna use some of the remover on my spoolie and see if I could use it to brush through my lashes. Honestly, whatever at this point. Moving on. For the corner of my eyes now, I'm gonna use the small one. This is actually so insane. So one of them has fallen off. I think it's because I put the remover on the spoolie, But seriously, the way my lash is clumpy, like, you need to see this. Can you see how clumpy my lash is? all glue. This is one of those things where it's like risk versus reward. I'm just gonna go get my lashes done because this is just not working out, okay? Like, as of now, this is what it looks like. I just don't have the patience for this. I'm taking them off. Maybe I'll try again tomorrow. Oh, the remover is like really greasy and oily. I'm gonna try again another time, and when I do, I will continue this video. But as of now, it's a no for me. Hey guys, it's a couple days later and I have a little bit more patience now, so I thought, you know what? I'm gonna try this again. Don't mind the beach towel that's on my head. I just washed my hair, and don't mind the fact that I have no sheets on my bed. I'm in the middle of laundry. So I'm relaxed, I'm calm, I'm clean, and I'm gonna try to put these lashes on one more time. I was planning on just giving up, deleting the video, sending it back to Amazon, but you know what? Patience is a virtue. From the first time I tried this, I did learn a couple things. So when you're picking the lashes up, the glue, the bonding glue, gets stuck to the tweezers. So that actually makes it a lot more difficult, because then when you squeeze them on your lash and you take it off, it rips the lash off too. And then when you put too much glue, like I was trying to do to make them last longer, then you just get glue all up in your lashes and it gets clumpy. So I need to be a little bit more strategic. I'm gonna take my time, I'm gonna go slow. I recommend doing this when you have, you know, some time to actually try. You know what? I'm not gonna make any more recommendations until this video is done and I've been successful. One thing that I did notice last time, the medium and the short are extremely short, so I think I'm gonna try the long. Hopefully I don't regret it, but I think it should be fine because it's not like super, super long. So got the lash here, got the bond. We're gonna put a little bit on the actual tip of the lash. Again, I can barely really see, to be honest, because I'm not wearing my contacts, but I feel like it's just too dangerous to do this with contacts in. I'm just gonna put a little bit on the edge. And I'm gonna be careful to place it properly so I don't have the same issues last time where I put it too low and I had to remove it and replace it. You can see my eyes like literally watering already. Place that above the lash line, right there. Let go, and then just press it. Oh no! Well, that didn't work. It's okay. We try again. Breathe. Why am I crying so much? I'm usually so good with everything beauty related, so I think that's what's really throwing me off right now, the fact that I'm not good at this. Like, I can do hair, makeup, nails, everything, and I wear lash clusters all the time, but this just is not working out for me. Oh my gosh. Well, I've already got the bond everywhere. This lash is like pretty much destroyed now. Let's wipe the applicator off. As a wise Stormy once said, patience, patience. Again, it's getting stuck to the applicator, even though I wiped the applicator off. We're gonna try again. Come on. Okay, we have one lash on so far. Now I have to take this applicator, make sure it's not sticky, and I'm gonna clamp down on the lash. Oh, no. Okay. Now I'm going to take my Falscara overnighter stuff. What color is this? Oh, it's black. And I'm gonna put it on, actually no. I'm gonna do that at the end. I think I'm gonna do one more long. I have so much more respect for lash techs after this because this is crazy. And now I'm putting it on the lash. So I'm putting it, I'm not doing it like a mascara. I'm literally dabbing it this way because I don't want it to run through the entire lash again. Because we saw last time that literally made my lashes get clumpy. I'm never doing this again, by the way. Like, this is the first and last time. I will stick to my regular lash glue, sticking 2 little clusters at the end, but this whole Falscara thing, like, it's not happening again. Just a little FYI. It's just not worth it. Clamping the lashes, lift it slowly, because even though you wipe it off, some of the glue comes off on it, so you have to lift it slowly so you don't rip the lash off again. And I'm just using my finger to really press it down. Okay, next up, I'm using a medium. So this is one of the ones I used last time. I just don't want to waste them. You know what? I'm never doing this again, so I will waste them. Like, what am I talking about? Let me get a fresh lash. The reason I keep doing this is because when I put the bonding glue, it keeps on touching like my actual waterline, like the inner waterline, and I don't want to blink and then have glue building up under my lashes. Because I saw something scary on TikTok. Oh, and I'm trying not to blink so that it doesn't go into my eye. Gonna push the thing again. But I just want to show you guys what it looks like so far up close. And then clamping it down. How do I clamp it in the middle? Now I'm gonna use, I think I'll use another medium and then I'll go in with a small one. Okay, that didn't work. When you get closer to the inner corner of your eye, it does start to feel a little bit more uncomfortable near your lash line. Like, you can actually feel it when you blink. So I'm gonna try to redo this one and put it a bit further away. We're doing it, y'all. We're getting there. Just to give you an up close, keeping you updated. The last one in the corner, I'm gonna use a short lash. This better last me the 10 days. It better last those 10 days. Or at least the week. Oh my gosh, can you imagine I do all this and it just falls off tomorrow? I'm rewashing my hair tomorrow, so I was planning on just doing this then because I'm gonna be in the shower for so long. But then I thought, what if I never get the patience to do this again? So I gotta take advantage of that, right? Okay, the inner corner one is just really bugging me. I miss my lash tag. Well, it's not touching my eyelid, so I guess it's just like natural discomfort. Now I'm using the overnighter liquid, so it's literally just like an eyeliner. And it says to do a thin layer over the bottom. Wait, let me get my fan ready. I might read the instructions for this part actually, because overnighter extended wear, thin line under the wisp. Apply 2 to 3 additional coats for maximized strength. So you know we're applying like 10 coats. So I'm gonna take it. And I'm literally just putting it across. I'm like terrified to close my eye right now. This is my fan, guys. I'm literally crying. Can you see that? Okay, so it's completely dry. I should have timed how long that took me. Actually, I sent a message at the beginning. So it took me exactly 21 minutes to do one eye. I'm gonna take my time, I'm gonna be patient, I'm gonna finish the other eye, and I'm also gonna apply those 2 extra layers of the overnight setter, and then I'll show you guys how it looks. You guys